ask him, like, why does my heart feel so heavy? Me no got all get the answers, but I'm still here. Darkness sat beside me tonight, looked me straight in the eyes and said, you've carried enough. I'd say I know, but me it stopped. Me been sending my way all get up pain, but it kept coming back again. Tasso one pela something me asking, can you sit with me for a while? I just need somebody to listen. Me no like all tears belong me. I go lose all some rain. Me like him one pela morning, when my heart can breathe again. My mind is a war zone, but me yet me fighting this spell of battle. I've been broken, I've been lonely, but me no give up yet. My mind is a war zone. We pray all send peace by come through the darkness, through the pain. I'm still reaching for the sun. How can I give you the world when me yet, me painting me yet? How can I give you peace when my heart is full of regret? But you remind me softly, you know, stop one piece. Maybe love can find me even when I cannot find myself. Maybe in Germany, me talking me, everything's okay. But tonight, me like talk, you know me, no right. And I need someone to stay, not to save everything, just sit beside me for a while. Let the silence speak for us, until me kissing won't pale a smile. My mind is a war zone, but this war won't last forever. Me been losing road plenty time, but I can still find my way. Memories I love, I'll carry them with me. The laughter, the love, the good old days, they're still a part of me. I'm not a fish lost in the desert, I'm still searching for water, I'm still searching for light. I'm still here. Maybe tomorrow will be different. Maybe my heart will heal. Maybe peace is not far away.